Find the centre line. This helps to line up the print on the board. Line up the centre marks on the screen with the centre line. Make sure it lines up exactly or the print will be off centre. The screen can't be flush to the board. It needs to be 3mm off to aid printing quality. We use 2 coins for the correct height and we tape them down for stability. Now tape off any marks and blemishes that are on the screen so the paint only paints where you want it to go. Spread the paint evenly along the logo diameter on the screen. Always use a glue spray to lock the garment in position, otherwise it will slip. Now find the centre point of the garment and match up with the centre lines. Note where the print will be on the garment, double check position. We use a screwdriver for this. Flood the screen. It takes practice. You need to get the right amount of paint as it's easy to over flood and this will lose detail. At this point, keep the screen away from the garment. The green thing is called a squeegee. And then when you're ready, lay the screen on the garment and run the squeegee along, applying pressure. The bigger the print, the higher the pressure is needed. Use the specialist heater to heat until touch dry, so make sure it don't overheat, and then you can repeat the process so you can get a second layer for improved print quality, and again heat until touch dry. Carefully remove the garment and place on the heating surface and make sure that it lays flat. Bring the heater over the garment and then heat until 350 degrees for 30 seconds. After this, it should be steaming a little bit and the ink should be very hot, so be careful when you touch it. And voila, one amazing YIFY print.